Hi. Now let's see some information about the team configuration. Okay, first of all, let's talk about apps. So, application, okay, is a way really to increase the value of your team collaboration experience. Just imagine how it's amazing. So here I have apps here. So I can, take an apps. I can take a boat if I want. See here, I can go on here on analytic and BI, developer IT, education. So many things, and I can add the apps to work together. For example, here human resources, productivity. So I can add this, and after we can work together. For example, this is for Cisco WebEx meeting, calendar boat, a lot of things. So apps is very nice, but of course you can use apps if you say, for example, the allow all apps or allow specific apps and block all others. Okay, so you can really add, allow some apps here. Search in the App Store here, and you can add if you want allow only some apps. This is very, very, very nice. After you have tabulation, I love tabulation. Tabulation is this. Imagine actually, okay, I have add a tab. See, so I did add a tab here, and I have chosen PowerPoint. So now something is amazing is that now all the people here will be able to see in real time, and you can see that Mulder is also editing. Wow! So that means that now we're working on the same here. See, Mulder, and you see that Fabrice is also editing. So I can add, for example, here what I want, okay, and automatically I am really I can call, I can do a lot of things, and I can work simultaneously on the same document. Okay, so for example, if I go here, okay, if I wait a minute, I'm going to do like just the comment, and let's say that I want, for example, to delete this. Okay, so I do this, and let's say let's type Teams. Automatically, all the people will see, of course, who are in this conversation will see that I wrote Teams. Okay, so if I go back here now, of course, I will see, and there is Teams here. Whoa, it's incredible. See? So after I can say here, I don't know, I have added Teams, and I can do that. So now people can work together on a PowerPoint because I added here some more tabs. See? So if I put it a little bigger here, that's it. Okay. So I have more here. I have PowerPoint, but I can, for example, if I want to work on a Word document with other people, on Excel, on OneNote, on PDF, it's amazing. I can add all this. I love it. Really, this is amazing. Okay. So after you have the bots, okay, so bots are robots that are automated programs that respond to requests or provide update notifications. So you can even add a bot. We'll not see that in the lab, of course, but you can add, for example, T-bot, for example, to help answer user question about Teams, for example. Wow, this is really, I love it also. Okay, so that's it for the team configuration. And after, we're going to speak about the team meetings. Thank you. Bye-bye.